Have a good day everyone, and today we will see how to create a small cupboard design as dynamic block. Okay, let's see. Go block, B, enter, block name, cupboard design 2, select object, enter, pick point. Okay, block unit millimeters, open in block editor. Okay, now go parameters, base point, line L, enter, repeat line, construction, select line, enter, convert. Okay, now go parameters, linear, repeat linear, select parameters, go properties, number of grips 1. Okay, select distance 1, go properties, rename, height, enter, distance 2, rename, width 1, enter, distance 3, rename, width 2, enter. Okay, now go actions, stretch, select parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, stretch, select parameter point, stretch frame, select object, deselect vertical line, deselect, enter, select stretch 1, go properties, distance 0.75, enter. Okay, action, stretch, select parameter point, stretch frame, select object, deselect vertical line, enter, stretch to select, go properties, distance 0.5, enter. Okay, now go action, move, select parameter point, select object, enter, move, select, go properties, distance 7/8, enter. Okay, move, select parameter point, select object, enter, move 1, select, go properties, distance 5/8, enter, move, select parameter point, select object, enter, more to select, go properties, distance 0.25, enter, action, more, select parameter, parameter point, select object, enter, move 4, move 3, select, go properties, distance 0.75, enter, ok, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, deselect horizontal line, deselect, enter, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, deselect horizontal line, deselect, enter, stretch 4, select, go properties, distance 0.5, enter, ok, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, deselect horizontal line, deselect, enter, stretch 6, select, go properties, distance 0.5, enter, ok, action, move, select parameter, parameter point, select object, enter, go move 4, select, go properties, distance 0.5, enter, ok, now save block, close block editor, ok, let's see, height, width 1, width 2, height, go properties, height 800, width 1 450, width 2 550, okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.